Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. So in today's video, I'm going to be making some chicken and steamed rice. So come on with me, guys. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Okay, so this video is part of a collaboration called Quick and Easy Meals. Quick and Easy Meals is every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The host of this collaboration is myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. I have Deborah Cabasa Home Living, Debbie Bubbles, and Jean Home Decor, and more. Now, as in all collaborations, we practice YouTube etiquette. Now, let's get started. Okay, so now the chicken cutlets were in the refrigerator and they've been marinating now for 24 hours. I use a house seasoning and some olive oil and a touch of vinegar. So what I do is I use salt, pepper, garlic, oregano, and Italian seasoning. So I mix that all up in there with a little bit of olive oil, as I said, and vinegar, and let that sit in the refrigerator so it can just soak up all that flavor, especially since we're dealing with chicken cutlet. Now off to the right here, I'm steaming some white rice, and in that pan I'm going to be just steaming that through and then using the liquids, which is going to be, at this point, it's going to be some water, but with all that extra seasoning, it's just going to make this really nice gravy, and then we're going to add some onion. So I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music and I'll be in and out of the video. Now, I did want to tell you that what I did when I started the white rice is I washed the rice really good and then just placed enough water in there that's just above the rice, and I added some salt and I did add a little bit of olive oil. Once you get that simmering and the water starts to evaporate, you want to drop the temperature down to low and then cover it, let that steam through for 20 minutes about. In between, check it because you may have to add a couple of tablespoons of water. Now, I absolutely love onions, so if you don't like onion, just replace it for something else that you do like. You can use a vegetable like broccoli or cauliflower, or you can use another type of onion like scallion or shallots. Now, I didn't have chicken stock because that's what I would have kept adding to this pan. I don't want it to cook too quickly either because I left the chicken cutlets whole. So I had it at a medium temperature, maybe even just below that. And I kept adding water. And so what you want to do in between that water and gravy, you just want to taste for salt and pepper or anything else that you might want to add. So everything looks done here. I'm gonna get ready to head on over to the review. So I think this came out absolutely amazing. I cannot wait to dig in. We are both hungry, my son and I. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.